Hey, this is Ash, Rocksolid Rides. Today we're going to be bodyworking the Lincoln. I'll just be going over a few things, showing you how we bodywork it and that, and the processes and the tools we use. This side's already been bodyworked, gapped, so you've got some nice gaps on her. It's running all nice and flush. So this side took me, what, 4 days to bodywork, and yeah, that'll get polyed and then we'll block it down. And, so yeah, I've started this side. Quarter panel, yeah, doing that. I'll show you, yeah, just blocking down the quarter panel, going through to the doors. And these are the tools that we'll be using. Melanomotive splines, all different thicknesses and sizes, depending on what you're blocking, what shape of the car. This is the body filler we're using, Evercoat Rage Ultra. We were using the 3M products, the 3M Select and the 3M Platinum Plus, but we were having a few issues with it. The 3M Select must have been having a chemical reaction with when it touched a bit of metal. We're finding there was a bit of surface rust under it, and also it wasn't gripping onto the bare metal right. Not that you really should bodywork on bare metal, but say if there was a rub through or something, yeah, peel back off the metal. And the 3M, what is the Platinum Plus? It was leaving a bit of a sticky residue over the top, which was clogging up the sandpaper. You find the Rage Ultra doesn't do that, and it's pretty decent for pinholes as well. So yeah, this is what we've been using for the past few months. So it's a good product. Enjoy. Peace. Okay, so we've pretty much got this side done. Just got a little bit to do on the guard, front guard, and yeah, that'll be finished off. Yeah, that's all pretty much bodywork, and we'll epoxy it up to seal it up. But yeah, this side, what'd that take me? Maybe 3 days, all up this side and the other side, about 70 hours. Obviously got a little bit left on the guard. Right, yeah, this side's all done. Yeah. So yeah, that's about 70 hours to do both sides, bodywork, ready for epoxy prime and poly. This is going black as well, so it does have to be pretty straight. But yeah, that's it. Now I'll show you a bit of epoxy, seal it up.